In the heart of an ancient forest, where sunlight dappled through the leaves, lived a clever red fox named Pharaoh. His reddish-brown fur was a flash of fire against the green, and his cunning eyes missed nothing. Pharaoh loved mischief. He'd spend his days playing harmless tricks on the other creatures, his laughter echoing through the trees. But one day, a strange stillness fell over the forest. The streams began to dry up, the leaves turned brittle, and the vibrant life of the woods started to fade. Pharaoh's playful spirit quieted. He saw the worry in the eyes of his neighbors, and a new feeling, one of responsibility, stirred within him. High in the branches, a blue jay with feathers as bright as the summer sky watched with a fierce maternal gaze. Her name was Blue Jay, and she saw the change in Pharaoh. She saw his pranks replaced by long, thoughtful gazes at the wilting landscape. She knew the forest needed a hero, not a jester. From the shadows emerged Leopard, a magnificent creature of muscle and power, his golden coat a tapestry of rosettes. He was the embodiment of the forest's strength, and his eyes held a deep skepticism. He had seen Pharaoh's tricks and doubted the young fox could do anything to help. Nearby, a gentle mother dove cooed softly to her chicks, her nest resting on a weakening branch. Her quiet strength and unwavering hope were a silent plea to everyone who called the forest home. Driven by a newfound purpose, Pharaoh approached Leopard. He spoke not with his usual wit, but with a tired earnestness. He proposed a daring plan, to journey to the mountain peak and find the source of the crystal river, which was said to hold the forest's lifeblood. Leopard scoffed, but Blue Jay swooped down, her sharp cry cutting through the tension. She declared she would go with Pharaoh, her sharp eyes able to spot danger from above. Inspired by her courage, other animals joined them. Together they faced treacherous paths and daunting challenges. Pharaoh, no longer a trickster, led with surprising wisdom, his cunning now used to navigate dangers. Leopard, watching the fox's transformation, began to see not a fool, but a leader. After a long and difficult journey, they reached the peak. There they found the river's source blocked by a massive rockfall. Working as one, with Leopard's strength and Pharaoh's clever strategy, they cleared the debris. Water, clear and sparkling, rushed down the mountain, breathing life back into the dying forest. Pharaoh returned, not as the mischievous fox, but as a hero, his earnest heart having saved them all. Thanks for watching our story today. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe for more tales from the wild. See you next time.